Hello everyone, my name is Widya Annisa and PM 2503101016. I am student of chemical engineering. Today I would like to talk about how I have changed in the last few years. So, a few years ago, I was more too shy and less offended. Especially when I talk to in front of others. I also have poor time management and often postponed my plans. Since I entered college, many experiences that helped me change. I was better through time management. I get better way to studies. So also more confident now. In the past, I was afraid to making mistake, but now I have learned that mistake is way to process a part of process that help me to learn. So don't afraid of make a mistake because it's help you to get better. So don't worry to make mistake. In conclusion, I have changed many positive ways in the last few years. Yes, so that's a few years ago I have poor time management, and now I have better time management. I know when I have to do my tests, when I have to do my laboratorium, so it's way better in my opinion. I hope so. Hope you all after watching this video have motivated to have a change in a positive way, of course. So don't be stuck on your life. Have a change. Many experience make me be a strong person. So, of course, I'm still learning and growing every day. I'm not perfect, but I'm proud how I've come far. So, thank you for watching my vlog. I hope you got a better chance too. I hope you get a chance in a positive way too, just like me. So, thank you. Have a nice time.